you move to Miami. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. Oh yeah. She gon' make you move to Miami. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we gon' party. Freaking every weekend, baby, we just getting started. Y síguete moviendo, que todos te están viendo. Damn, you got me, girl, that body's built like a Bugatti.
Hey ladies, so today we are here doing this hairstyle. These are crochet twists and I have installed them individually. I recently had in crochet box braids, like jumbo crochet box braids, and I really love that style. They were long, longer than this, but when I decided that it was time to take them out because they had gotten fuzzy and stuff, I knew I wanted to do another individual crochet install. So I contacted Sam's Beauty and they sent me this hair. I absolutely love it. It's super lightweight and I like that it's short. I specifically asked for the shorter ones because it is like 110 degrees here in Phoenix, so I did want a little less hair. And the long braids, it takes a lot to get them up in a bun or in a ponytail or anything like that, so I was definitely rocking with the shorter style this time. So yeah, since I already had the jumbo box braids in, basically when I took them out, I left my hair in the sections that it was already in, and I just washed my hair in the sections. So there's not going to be any footage of me sectioning the hair or anything like that. It took way too long the first time I did it, so I'm happy that I don't have to do it again. But basically all I did was, once it was washed and I deep conditioned it, I went in when the hair was still damp and I used a little bit of edge control or control paste at the roots just to get them smooth, and then I rubber banded the roots because I didn't want puffy roots. I wanted to have a very controlled style and it just helps it to last longer in my opinion. So I rubber banded the roots and then I went in and installed the individual crochets. So I'm going to try to explain it, but there's definitely footage of me installing it. But basically, you go in, you put the crochet underneath the rubber band, you hook the loop of the crochet hair onto the crochet needle, and you pull it through. Once you've pulled it through, you're going to take and open up the loop, and you're going to put the end of the hair through the loop and pull it tight. Once you've done that, you're basically going to take your hair. I decided to twist my hair instead of braiding it or anything, so I feel like braids stick out more when you're doing crochets. Even when I did my box braids, I twisted my hair and then I looped it through. But what you're going to do is you're basically going to just take and twist your hair as if this is one leg of the twist and this is the other leg of the twist. Your hair is the other leg and you're just going to twist it in. So you'll see, I'll do a close-up. Basically, my hair naturally wanted to go in between every 2 loops of the crochet twist hair. So you just go in and basically by twisting it in to the twist that's already pre-made, it's gonna basically end up inside of the crochet twist hair. So obviously the smaller your twists are of your natural hair, the more it will blend in with the crochet hair. I had a few that the twists were kind of big, but honestly they just look like 3-strand twists. You can't really tell. It still looks super natural. It looks really good, and the point is for it to be quick and easy, and for my hair, especially my ends, just to be protected within the hair. So as I got to the ends, it blended in a lot better because of course the ends are thinner. So I did that all over, and then I didn't really like the way the ends looked when they came down to that like really mechanical looking point. So I just went through and I cut off the ends, so that way I got some really organic and random looking curls at the end. I wanted them to look plump and full as it got to the end instead of coming down to a very uniform point. I don't really like the way that looks. Like I said, I want them to look natural as possible. So I just went through and chopped off all of the ends, and some of them I retwisted, some of them I left free, so it kind of did the little separation thingy. But yeah, ultimately I love it. I love this hair. I'm gonna keep it in for probably like a week maybe a week and a half. We'll see how long I can stretch it for before I'm ready for another style. But yes, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any techniques that you like to do when you do your crochet, individual crochet installs. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box down below. Check the description box for this exact hair and the link to the hair. And once again, thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me this hair. I absolutely love it. And you guys stay tuned for lots and lots of pictures. I took tons of pictures of my box braids, and so I'm definitely gonna take tons in these. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope that this was quick and to the point and informative and that it made sense. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I will talk to you ladies soon. Bye. Oh, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe, and check out my Instagram for pictures, for lots of pictures in this hair. Yeah, I'm going for real this time. Bye.